ma räägin neid eesti keeles või inglise keeles.
Ma tahan küsida, kui sa lähed vetsu, kas sa filmid siis ka või?
Jaa, ikka, kõik tuleb ikka filmile. Jõudsime koju! No. We made... We arrived to Rakvere! Woo! Oh, I was driving, so I took my jacket off. It's... Oh no. It's so cold. Tulen kohe! Huible.
Ära, ma ausalt olen must.
Jaa.
Ma käia siin ja võllasin ja...
Jah. Krissu! Tere! 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 Kipu, tere! Tere! Tere, tuttav inimene või? Tere! Oi, sa oled nii ilus! Oi, sa oled nii ilus! Lähme kohe mingi va! Krissu! Krissu! Okei, andsid palli. I got the ball. So I should run, or what? I cannot throw with that hand. Anna! Pall! Tubli poiss! Kus sa jooksed? What the fuck? That's the first time when I actually really shitted him that he didn't get it, and he went to church for the ball right now. I feel sad. Chris! Ball is here! Pall on siin! Joo! Upsi! Kuule! Okei, selline. Kuule! Tere! Kuule! Tipsik! Jah? Mis seal on? Aia, Kreksu, aia!
Ega ei tohi.
Aia!
Ei tohi, Kreksu, ei tohi.
Ei tohi. Aia! So I haven't seen him for 2 months and he's crazy. He's everywhere. Gregor, mis sa teed? No mis sa teed nüüd? Mis sa plaanid?
Aitäh! Pane tagasi!
Kreksu, sa eksid siia tagasi! Kreksu, mis siin? Palun? Aitäh! Aitäh! Paneme tagasi! Aitäh! Tubli! Aitäh! Jaa, võtame ära, näed. Aitäh!
Mis toimub?
Cooking. Sünnipäeva laul.
Teed ise rohkem.
See on enne küll teada, et paremad asjad ära. Kuhu seda ma tahtsin minna? Ma mõtlesin Taani. Oh no!
What was Beyonce up and down?
See on mingi hohv või? Luusi. See on nagu surr. Ma tunnen seda šokolaadi juba. On ju mingi?
Ta ei saanud kätt panna siia. Ja just teelisin endale ütles Kristini juurde. Teili jääb.
When you're coming from party, 3 o'clock at night, then you wanna eat. And who's eating? There's some sushi and stuff from party, so yeah, go for it. There's cake also. Carmen, come to say hi. Good night. Good morning. Today is Sunday, and we're going to have family. And my father is running away. Camera kogu aeg väljas. We are going to have family dinner. Not dinner, breakfast. And I just drop off my friends also, and yeah, my brother family is coming now here. So today I'm going to. My father is escaping somewhere. He's scared to come here.
I'm on fire. There's a burning in my bones and in my eyes. These dreams are taking hold. I just need time.
So what's the advantage of being at home? One of them is that closet, because I'm in Denmark. I have only one suitcase of clothes, so and that closet is just full of clothes. Here is a bunch of clothes. Here is many of them. This size not that many, but also like here is a lot, and here's mostly jackets and stuff like that. However, still there's many clothes, and I just figure out what I have actually here, and I almost wanted to buy some things which I have already. So, for example, that one, I didn't know that I have it, and I was so close to buy the jean jacket, and now I have it, and yes.
Time, then we'll be alright. It's not much, but it's better than nothing. We're running on fumes, but we'll make it through tonight. It's not love, but it's better than dreaming.
Hi! Oh god, I just came from one procedure. I don't know how you call it. It's like kind of treatment to yourself, to your face. It was a present from my mom for birthday, and it was amazing. Like seriously, my skin is like, I almost fall asleep there, like it was 1.5 hours. And I was seriously like, it was like different procedure to your face, different masks and creams and different things to your face basically. And my face feels so good right now, like, oh my god, it feels so fresh. I don't have even words, you know, it's just so good. So if you have chance or if you want to have really good birthday gift or something like that, then just go there, and I really recommend that. I don't have any makeup on, by the way, if you didn't notice. That's how I'm naturally looking. And my hair is also like that naturally, because I just came from shower also before that, and it's still wet. So natural period. So we are going to have a dinner right now, and I'm just want to show you how fashionable our family is. Like my father is like with red, and my mom is of course there. Hello. My father is shy. I don't know. So we are like traffic lights running around.
You're looking at what I'm looking at. You'd be in a hurry too.
If all we have is time, then we'll be alright. It's not much, but it's better than nothing. We're running on fumes, but we'll make it through tonight. It's not love, but it's better than dreaming. Time, then we'll be alright. It's not much, but it's better than nothing. We're running on fumes, but we'll make it through tonight. It's not love, but it's better than dreaming. Morning light shines a lifeline. Escape is what I need.
Okay, today is Monday. My mom is in the background, so she's saying like, don't show me, don't show me. I'm having quick breakfast because I'm going to have doctor, and I think it's called injection because I'm going to Mexico, so I need something. And then we are quickly going to Tallinn, and I'm going to meet with Trinulis for last measurements and stuff like that. And I also made one quick dress yesterday, so I just have to know it does it fit to her and everything. So I'm going to meet her, and we are going to buy fabric, Justin Bieber. So we're going to buy fabric, and then 2:45 I have to go to airport. So today I'm going back to Denmark. It has been quick and really busy weekend.
Me oleme nüüd siin pulmakleita, see ei ole küll pulmakleit, aga ühte proovi tegemas. Triinu-Liis on ka kuskil siin. Et tema selles, kuidas ütled, objektil oleme.
Näidiskorteris.
Jah, mis on väga ilus kusjuures. Kui tahate, siis võite osta korterit.
Ja umbes 280 000 on see konkreetne korter.
Nii et oske korter, ja me proovisime just seda kleidi ära, nii et vist enam vähem.
Jaa, ma arvan, meil on plaan päris hea juba ja lõige oli juba päris seal, kus me tahame, et oleks.
Nii et kangad, viimased kangaustud ja
täpselt.
augustikuus näete.
oli puhang on see vist, seda kutsutakse vist niimoodi eesti keeles, ma ei teagi. Et peatati kinni, ma esimest korda elus pidin puhkuma ja see masin mõtles nii kaua, ma hakkasin juba kahtlema, kas ma olen purjus või mitte. My aunt has birthday, so we just came to visit with my mom. Mama! So that's my aunt's place. Really beautiful as well. Really big garden. It's in Tallinn, in capital, and yeah, it's very nice here. There's my mom. I wanted to wave to her, so. And it's time to go back. My mama.
Believe that we keep falling for the lure of liquid confidence and lies, and we skydive from walls we built, dying just to feel alive. On the way down screaming, whoa, if all we have is time, then we'll be alright.